Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to repair your vehicle in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So to be able to actually repair your vehicle, I'm going to show you by clicking on Y on my keyboard, and then you're just going to click on your inventory right here, and you need to have one of those welding torch MK1 equipped right here, as you can see. So when you actually have it equipped, there is another thing that we need to do. We need to get ammo for it. And to be able to get ammo for it, you're just going to go to your fabricator, so run to it and click on E, and you're going to get some welding wire for it. This is basically the ammo for it, if that makes sense, and it is quite cheap, just 5 salvage metals. I'm just going to get this one now. And then when you have actually now gotten it, then you can just run to your, like for example, your sand bike here. And then as you can see in the bottom right corner, basically, if you right click, you can see repair, customize, detach, etc. But you need to get it to repair. And now you're going to aim for what needs to be repaired. As an example, this right here, I think. Okay, this one is not damaged. So I'm going to see, yep, I can. Okay, oh, this one can be repaired perfectly. Let's see if we have anything more. Yep, this can also be repaired. And let's see if this, I think this can also be repaired here. Yep, going to keep repairing, and let's see if there's anything more. This one cannot be repaired. This can, I think. Yeah, so you're just going to go one by one and check if there's anything that needs to be repaired. This one is fine, this one is fine. Yeah, I think everything is fine now, but basically this is exactly how to do this.